Oh my gosh.
Well, is it bad?
I've never seen it like this before, dude. All right, so what are we doing, Alex?
Right now, we're going to focus on getting the front clip off, changing the oil, and getting some of the interior components out.
It's got some damage. We change the oil, get some of the interior stuff out. We need to replace the seats, carpet. We may clean the carpet, but we'll see. We want to get that out, clean underneath it. We're going to put some sound deadening material and get that all cleaned up. One of the things a lot of people don't pay attention to is when it comes to cars, a lot of the smell is, which this car actually doesn't smell bad, but we want it to smell good. A lot of the smell gets trapped in the pad and dirt underneath it. So we're actually gonna take that out, clean that all out, put some sound deadening material in, and that'll help this vehicle a lot. Go ahead. Changing some of the fluids. I want there to change the oil. This thing's got a big oil pan plug. Surprisingly, everything's pretty clean under here. Let that drain out. Man, that was thin, dude. It's so black. But it smells good, though. It smells like oil. Doesn't smell any cooling. Surprisingly, not horrible. Never underestimate the value of the right tool. It makes life easy.
Did it come off of there?
Yeah, I need to move the bucket. I don't think we'll lose too much. I think it all drained down, actually. No, there's a little bit. Napa. Ooh, that's heavy.
Is it?
It's been on there a while. Put a new one on.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad. I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Alright, so we got the oil changed. We've got the engine bay soaking in a lot of degreaser. Alex got the header panel off, we're going to replace. So now we want to fire it up, check the oil pressure, let it run a little bit, all the new oil cycle through there, and it should be happy. All right, what's the oil pressure at?
Just below middle, looks better than it did before.
So what about 40?
Yeah, actually right on 40.
Okay, on to our goal of getting the interior out today. Oh, there's no car wash, the wax comes squirting out. Can you lift it out?
We're about to find out.
That ratchet is stuck. Can't really see it, but the ratchet's stuck right there. part of why it's not coming out.
Yeah, I think so too.
Oh, there we go.
Cool.
Ew! Dirty. Love these things. Seats out. We got the seats out, as always with used vehicles. A little bit dirty underneath there. But for the most part, it's leaves and nothing too bad. So we may be able to clean this carpet and keep it and not have to get new carpet.
So we got the seats out. Gonna pull some panels out now and see what we can do. Start pulling it.
Holy crap! Alex!
What?
Find out what this wire does. I don't know what's going on here.
Do it again.
There's some random wiring going through here, and we're trying to figure it out. So I figured it's red. Let's put some power to it, not knowing anything, and apparently it's hooked to the wipers. Wow.
That's good.
Why is that shooting off to the side like that?
Misaligned or something.
Good thing we put new wiper blades on it.
I don't think we took the covers off those wiper blades.
I took mine off.
Oh.
Oh, here we go.
There we go. Good as new.
The only problem is it's spraying the whole time. Hold on, there's two wires here. What is going on with this, man? Why would somebody do that?
Unless the control stick was broken.
There we go.
There we go. See, that's just wiper.
So, Torques are Jeepers' enemy, and the top one actually came out. And what are the odds the bottom one's going to be nice? What do you think?
I'm really hoping it's going to be just as easy. That doesn't look too easy.
Oh my gosh.
Does it work? Oh, yes.
No way it's this nice to us. Holy crap.
Beautiful.
I don't think I've ever dealt with a Torx bolt in a Jeep that actually wants to come out. Seat belt has just about disappeared, so that'll go through there. Yeah, so far everything's coming good. Carpet starting to come up. So you can finally see underneath here.
How's it looking under there, rust-wise?
Wow. There's nothing back here, but up here is the area we'll look at to be most concerned. But we gotta get the side panel off. Looks like there's one more screw. There's nothing down here. How's this come off? Looks like this back panel has to come off. This doesn't have any screws. You know how this comes off?
I'm actually... I guess that's how.
That was really...
It was easy.
I didn't expect that. That was kind of funny. This comes...
Wow, look how clean that is back there.
Yeah.
Nice and
I'll
red.
bend it forward. There's some brackets. Looks like we need looks like a 6mm little bolt, and that comes out, and then we pull the side panels out and get this carpet out of here.
Sweet, and I'll grab it.
Cool. We get the panel out. What the heck?
What?
Oh my god. How much would it take to pay you to eat that gummy bear?
Oh my god. You pull out a $50 bill right now, I'll eat it.
20. That's gross. I can't even look at that. That's nasty.
What are you throwing at me for? I don't want to eat it.
The things you find in cars, so. But, the panel's out, so we get to see if there's any rust on this side.
Oh boy. It's the moment of truth.
Come on. Oh my gosh.
Well, is it bad?
I've never seen it like this before, dude. I have never seen this in my life.
What is it?
There's no rust.
Oh, I gotta come see this.
Oh, it's all wet, dude. Oh, this needs a new carpet. I don't want to clean this one. So, there's a little bit of surface rust. But
Yeah, but that's not like rotted through or anything. That's...
no. We'll just clean it up and then lay down a layer of like chassis saver or something.
Yeah.
A rust protect. Oh, it smells. It's like butt.
Ugh.
It's this pad. That's what I was talking about. These pads. Look at
Yeah,
all that
fiberglass
moisture in
pad,
there.
yeah.
You don't see it, but look at all that wetness in there. It retains. It retains all that. Oh, yeah, I got it. So we're gonna get this carpet out. A few more panels. We'll go ahead and pull the whole carpet out. That's what we wanted to see. We wanted to see underneath it, and that'll probably be just about it for today. But as a whole, this thing's amazing. Real happy with it.
How do you get the light out of there?
It pops from the bottom of that black base there.
Like I hear my thumb is?
Yeah. Be careful with electricity. I had sparks on mine.
Oh, is there power in here?
That's what was sparking earlier.
I'm gonna hit you. I'm gonna come over there and hit you.
Uh-oh. I think Alex is mad at me.
See, you're laughing now, but it's not gonna be as funny when you have to drag my lifeless corpse out of the shot.
Because you
gave me a heart attack. No, you come do it now. You come over here and do
I won't do it again. You got this. I promise I won't do it.
No, now it's actually gonna happen though.
Okay. He had a screwdriver lodged into his temple. Oh my gosh. Watch, I'm gonna shock myself now. It's just, there you go. You got your seat out, you got that piece out. Now it's time to check this carpet. Ew.
First we gotta pull the shifter off.
That's gross. Pull up the carpet, see how the floor is.
Oh, on this side?
I'm guessing it's just as good.
Hopefully.
Ugh. Stinky. You gotta pull the pad out.
Oh god, it's wet. Looks good though. You can see the moisture on my hands.
Ew, pull it all the way up. Yeah, just a little bit of surface rust.
Yeah, looks good though.
So that's a plus. The floors underneath the carpets, there is no there's no rust. There's a little bit of surface rust, but that's to be expected. Like I said earlier, the number one area that holds smells and moisture is in the carpet pad. So we're probably going to go ahead and replace that. There's no need to spend a lot of time to try and clean this. It's just gross, and it's this thing deserves a lot better quality flooring. Our excitement has unfortunately been squashed.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
We found some rust. There is some rust that needs to be repaired. Not that bad. It's definitely totally fixable. Yeah, so we'll clean this up, repair that. It's just that one spot.
Is it? I guess it could be a lot worse.
Oh yeah, I've seen way worse. I didn't think there was any, but it always happens to be right there where that collects moisture the most.
Well, the carpet is now where it belongs.
Yeah. Half the crap's on the floor. Just stuff it in there.
Doesn't look like it's working so well.
And the garbage has better taste. So that's the MJ. We have not decided on a name. We have not decided on a direction for the build. We're still trying to figure that out. The only negative so far, we found a little bit of rust, but that's to be expected with these things. Surprisingly, it's a lot less than we thought, but we'll still cut that floor pan out. And they make drop-in replacement floor pans, so we'll get a new one and weld it in. Engine's good, training's good, T-case is good. Axles seem to be in good shape. Everything's working the way it should. You know, obviously we'll probably go in, tear down new unit bearings, ball joints, all of those consumable things that are good to replace, make it nice and tight and new, clean all that up, and then, yeah, we can't figure out the build or the name. So give us some ideas. What do you think? What should we do with it? What direction should we go? What should we name it? Yeah, we may keep it, we may sell it. Who knows? This may be our next giveaway Jeep. We don't know yet. We want to know what you, as our audience, thinks. Maybe we'll do a full build on it, like an overland build. Small lift, maybe like a 3-inch lift. Throw a bed in the back, clean it up, make it to where you can go overlanding with this thing, camping. We're not going to do a full rock crawler build. We definitely don't want to do tons, 37s or anything like that. We don't want any big axles or tires. This thing is in really good condition, so we want to preserve the integrity. You just don't find them that much anymore, let alone in this condition. A little bit of damage. We got to fix a few things on it. The fender here has some damage. It's nothing really damaged. It just needs to be repainted and prepped. But there is the dent here. You can see it a little better that way. I don't know, that's not too bad. We can definitely get all that fixed, and But yeah, so we'll see what happens. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. If you're excited about the build, if you want to see where it goes, make sure you give us a like. We are at 800 subscribers, so we're only about 200 away from our first giveaway.
Almost there.
Yeah, at 1,000 we'll be doing a giveaway. All you have to do to enter is be a subscriber, and that is it. And with that, we're going to let you guys go. It's a little late. We're tired. We still got a lot of work to do, so we'll see you next time.